guys, and welcome back. Alright, this is something a little different, and I want you to throw in the comments if there's something you like. I'm going to do a little cook up. There's a separate video on a cook up. What we're going to do, we've got a nice shoulder roast. We have lovely veggies, jalapenos, cream cheese, a bit of chili and oil. What we're doing is a little something I saw on social media. We're going to stuff jalapeno poppers. We are going to stuff the roast with the jalapeno poppers. Chuck it on the fire, should be great. So yeah, let's get started. We'll firstly prep up the poppers, we'll get them made. Alrighty, so I'm just going to go 3 jalapenos, nice and simple. Alrighty, I'm just going to cut that end off, cut that like that, rid of them, back. Now, tell you what, I recently organised the back of my ute, so it's good. I've got organisation for once. Alright, so these poppers, we're going to hollow them out. Get a spoon in there. Just use the end of the spoon, it's a bit easier to get in there. Get rid of all that. I know what some of you are saying, getting rid of all the seeds, oh, it's going to be hot. It will, because we're going to add ground hot chili. So this, I'm hoping this is going to turn out really yum. So get them out of there. Tell you what, this camp spot we're at is primo. We've come down to the Warren National Park and Drafty's campground, right by the river. Bloody lovely. I'll throw a bit of footage in, show you around. Alright, de-seeded them. Alright, let's get out a little bit, let's put them aside. So we want cream cheese. Probably should have got it out a little bit earlier so it could soften, but I didn't. Bit of cream cheese. And then get, I've gone for a pizza blend because you get a little mixture of different cheeses, so you get a bit of nice taste in there. Right. Little handful of cheese. Actually, we'll put a little bit more in. Who doesn't love cheese? Now, ground hot chili. Not too much, because Maddie doesn't like it too hot. Thought I had everything prepped, but I didn't. Alright, little sprinkle. About that much. Perfect. Alright, just going to give that a mix up. Probably a bit much here for them 3, but anyway, we'll make something else with it. So if you guys do like these cooking episodes, let us know and we'll start doing a few more. I love cooking on the fire and getting out camping and cooking. So if you do, let us know. Throw us some recipes too if you want something for us to try out. It'd be great. Alright, that's all mixed up. Grab our, where's a spoon? A little spoon. And we're just going to stuff them. Make sure you fill it right up. Oh yeah, that's fine. through there. One there, 3. Alright, 3. Got them stuffed, just like that, straight like that. We've got plenty of that left. Alright, now we'll wash some hands. Alrighty, another roast. We're just going to cook the roast in the camp oven. We've got that fire cranking. Oh, there we go, shoulder roast. And all we're going to do, cut back a bit of this. Couldn't find a smaller roast because there's only 2 of us, so I think we'll be taking some home with us. Cut that back like that. Grab the other knife. All you want to do is just stab into it, making some holes, just like that. In there, another one in there, make a bit of a cavity. And then stuff that jalapeno, gets a bit messy, in them cavities. Alright, just going to wipe my hands. Alright, so we've stuffed it. And that's pretty much all we're going to do now. Bit of oil, bit of salt. Chuck it in the camp oven. I'm going to get the veggies ready. I'm going to cook them over the fire in the camp bray. To make it a bit easier to flip them and stuff. And yeah, we'll get this done and then I'll show you how's we're going along. Alright, I'm going to use this garlic infused oil again because that was quite nice last night. So just a little drizzle. Little drizzle in there. A bit of a rub. I'm going to get rid of that because that's holding shape pretty well. Drizzle of oil. Excuse me a minute. Making a mess. Alrighty, we've got the oil, give it a nice light salt. A little bit of pepper. That's it for the roast, that goes into the camp oven. I've got a little trivet in the bottom. Yeah. Still got them coals to cook down. It's going to take, I'll give it a couple of hours and we'll check it. Yeah, should be tasty, I'm hoping. When you cut into it, you see them poppers and that cheese melts out. Should be bloody good. Alright, veggies next. I am just going to clean up a minute. Give everything a nice wipe. keeping it simple with the veggies. A little bit different. We're going a bit of eggplant. I'm just going to cut them into slices. Just like that. Like that. We've got that. We've got broccolini. Who doesn't love broccolini on the campfire? Bloody good. And a bit of that. I reckon that'll do. And then a bit of corn. Got corn on the cob. I reckon one each. That'll be enough. Alright, so we'll just remove that husk. Otherwise that catches on fire. Beauty. Alright. Grab the campfire. I love cooking on this. So versatile what you can use it for. Alright. So hold on a minute. Get us in frame here. Alright, so we're going to go eggplant there, corn in the middle, broccolini on the side, just like that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cut that corn in half just so that lid fits down a bit better. Just like that. Beautiful. Alright, veggies in there. I won't put them on for a little while. We'll let this roast get cooking for a bit. Basically, lid on that, drizzle of oil, and that's going to go over the flame as well. Alright, we'll let this, go check these coals, get this fire cranking, and then we'll get this roast on. And yeah, hopefully should be beautiful. I'll show you as we're going along. Alright guys, got some coals ready. I've decided to set the little fire pit up. I'm going to put it in there. Try and store the heat. So we've got the roast in there. The roast is going on. Like that. I'm just going to grab this glove. Get some of these hot coals on top. That up, get it cooking. I think my shovel's melting. Alright, that should be good for now. Yep, that's melting. Yeah, we'll leave that for a bit. Check it in a bit. We'll get a bit more coals going. A bit later we'll chuck the veggies on, so stay tuned. Alright guys, that roast coming along very nicely. Just checked it. A little bit more to go. We put a few more coals on top just to try and get a bit of crackle happening. Getting the veggies. I'm just going to drizzle a bit of that beautiful garlic oil over everything. And that is going to sit. Where are we going to sit it? Right there. I might come back a bit. That can sit right there. Actually, I'll flip that for the corn. Just like that. So stay tuned, we'll see the finished product quite soon. I can't wait, I'm starving. It's going to be great, so we'll see you soon. Alright guys, veggies are done, they're up there, I'll take you up in a minute. Check out this. We didn't get the crackling we wanted, but the old roast is cooked. Look at that. All that cheese and stuff popping out. So we're going to get this up, take it up to the car, and we'll cut it open and see how she turned out. Fingers crossed she's as good as it looked on the video I watched. So yeah, we'll serve up in a minute. Alright guys, we're all cooked up. Just had a brilliant idea too. We're going to take this fat cap off, chuck it back in the Osprey and put it over the fire to try and get a bit of crackle happening. Because yeah, the crackling didn't happen. The roast is cooked, so I'm going to get that out. We'll cut into that, if I can get into that. There's them jalapenos popping out. Oh, that looks good. Alright, so leave it with me. I'm going to get this fat cut off, get the veggies out of there, we'll get the crackling back in there and we'll put that back on. But we'll cut open this and we'll see how good this turned out. So stay with me. Alright guys, moment of truth. Roast's all cooked. We've chucked that fat. I cut it off. We chucked it back in the Osprey and we put it back on the grill. So we're going to have a bit of crackling later. But I just want to cut this open. Hopefully we'll see these jalapeno poppers inside. There we go guys. Look at that cheese coming out, beautiful. A little bit of flavour. Oh, I can smell the jalapenos. Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I'm going to carve this up, plate it up. Me and Maddie are going to get stuck into it. I'll show you how the crackling goes as well after. So, cheers. Again, if you love these cooking, let us know, give us recipes, all that. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, following, all the support. We love it and we're going to keep bringing them to you. Cheers. Alright guys, so we chucked the crackling on the Osprey, just to get it crackling. It's not too bad. Ready? Oh yeah, listen to that. Listen to that crunch. Alright, we're going to pock into this, a couple of coldies. Yeah, that's how it's done, boys.